Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've created a video, but that's because I've been doing stuff with school. I was trying to go into affiliate marketing, but however, we're going to make a transition on this channel to Amazon FBA for a bit. I know it's the New Year's 2018, and I'm basically just going to try and throw out these videos, guys. I'm going to try and do it daily, the best that I can. I did adjust my school schedule just a little bit so I can actually have some more time to do this stuff. But yeah, guys, today we're actually going to go over why my first Amazon product failed and the reasons for that and what you guys can actually avoid in order to get your product out there and start killing it in the market. There are three core things that I think as to why exactly I failed my first Amazon product, and I'm going to show you guys that today. So let's get right into this. I did create a little short and easy PowerPoint thing. It's literally just one page, but I'm just going to go into detail on these things. So first thing was not differentiating. Now my first Amazon product I did about 9 to 10 months ago, and the thing that I messed up on was not differentiating my product from everyone else on the market. So what do I mean by that? It's like this. Here, I'll show you guys. Let me make sure. Okay, I'm going to Amazon. All right, we're going to search anglizers because that is a popular product. I can't remember if I'm spelling. Okay, let's go anglizer template tool. So what I did wrong in the product that I chose is that I did something like this. Okay, I basically put on a listing that was similar to every single one of these. Like I saw listings like this yellow one right here, or this one right here, or this one right here. I got into the market relatively early. However, there was so many sellers selling the same thing. Okay, and I'm telling you guys, I did this product. Okay, this is a product that I failed at, and there are other people that jumped in this market and absolutely killed it. They're probably making $20,000 to $30,000 a month now, and the only reason they were able to do that is because they were able to differentiate their products from everyone else, like these. These products are not only a different color, but they're actually a different material, whether it's aluminum or steel. And what I realized is that once I failed this product and I went back and see why exactly that was and to see how the market changed after like 6 months, it's because people demanded, there was a demand for better quality products. Instead of these cheap plastic yellow ones, people actually wanted the high quality ones that they knew were going to break, the ones that they knew were not cheap, and these were the aluminum ones, the ones that are these different colors and have all these different knobs and measurements on them. And of course, I could have done that product. I could have jumped right into it, but I didn't. People beat me to it. I honestly look back into it. I'm like, darn. I could have jumped into this market if I had a better mindset going into Amazon FBA. But that's okay. That was my first product, and moving on. And also too, not just differentiating your product by material, color. These people had add-ons into it. You see here, there's like a carpenter's pencil that they can use to take their measurements with. Let me see what else we got here. Let's see. I can't really tell what that is. Premium. This guy has like 2 add-ons here. I can't really tell what they are, but let me see. Looks like a keychain. And hey, is it a workbook? Okay, that's good. That's another thing too. Ebooks. That's another thing that I'm probably going to look into for my next up and coming Amazon product, which I hope I'll have in within the next couple of months now. Is actually ebooks. Ebooks are even a free way to do add-ons to your products. You guys are probably wondering how exactly you do that, but I'll cover that in a different video. But today I just want to stick to this main topic of the mistakes to avoid. But yeah, guys, this is mistake number 1 that I had, is jumping into markets that look good but have a bunch of sellers selling the same exact thing, and you basically jump in without no differentiation. So it's basically you're just making the mistake of not differentiating from everyone else, and that is a big issue. I think that was the first a big issue that I put down. Yeah, is not differentiating your products. But ebooks is a good way to differentiate, throwing in free add-ons, stuff like that. Of course, it's going to cost more when you go into like Alibaba and you go to source the product, it's probably going to cost more. There might be a higher minimum order quantity, or you might have to um, get it from different suppliers, which I don't recommend because that takes even longer probably and probably costs more. So I honestly, if you want to differentiate, do something like ebooks. Do something that's cheap. That's not going to be a super big add-on. Uh, like don't add on like a whole different product onto it. I mean, you can bundling and stuff, but that's if you have the money for it, etc. Um, but yeah, guys, not differentiating your product. I feel like this was a good example because that's the product that I failed. All right, so bad product launch. So what do I mean by product launch? A lot of people get into Amazon FBA, and this is another mistake that I made was once you get into the market, you can't expect to just throw your product up there for it to start selling. Once you throw your product up there, it's going to have a very, very, very high ranking. And what do I mean by high ranking? I mean like in the hundreds of thousands to almost a million, and which is bad. You want your ranking to be as low as possible. And I I honestly what my mistake was is I just threw my product up there and expected it to sell. I did get a couple sales here and there, but product launches is probably I'd say that's half of the whole entire game of Amazon FBA. If you don't have a good product launch, you're not going to be able to rank well. You're not going to be able to stick to that ranking. And I knew nothing about how to do product launches on my first product. And when you do your first product launch, you have to do in order to rank for those keywords, in order to get up, lower on the actual bestseller rank. Um, you actually have to do giveaways. In order to do giveaways, you can do services, you can do Facebook groups. I can do a whole different video on this, but you basically are giving your products away for free. And by giving them away for free, well, not for free, because if you do them for free, the Amazon FBA won't count those as like a sale. So you have to do like 97 to 99% off. So what they'll actually do, you're giving these people a coupon code. Once they put in that coupon code to get the product, that counts as a sale. And this is a really good way to jump into markets. You basically just scale. Let's say I'm choosing one of these products right here. I don't know, Analyzer template tool. This one right here. Let's say this one's doing like 20 sales a day. You would have to jump into this market in order to get to a similar ranking as this one. You would have to sell probably more than 20 giveaways a day. I'd say like 20 to 30 giveaways a day just in order to rank. And I'd say do that probably for 4 to 5 days. That's what I've learned. That's what I've been told. And you run heavy PPC in combination with that. And what I'll do is basically make your product stick into that seller ranking, and that way people can see your product and and since your product should be differentiated from maybe this one or this one right here, this one is actually going to have you should be able to surpass that product because you're going to be differentiating for you. Let's say you throw in a pencil to this product, or you throw in like a bag or something like that, or an ebook. You're going to be able to surpass this product and make it stick, so people are like, oh, they see your product right next to this one, and they're going to be like, oh, okay, I can get this extra thing add-on on here for the same price or a little bit more. And that's basically how you make your product stick. When then that with heavy PPC for the good keywords, you're going to be able to rank your product and make it stick there, and then just like that, you're probably going to be making quite a lot of money. And that's another thing that I wanted. There's another thing I want to talk about when it comes to ranking your product too, is getting enough inventory in order to do these giveaways. Honestly, going into my next product, I want to do the what do you call it, DHgate. I want to go on that website and find my product so I can source this product on a weekly basis if I have to, because once you do giveaways, and let's say you only order 300 units and then you have to give away like 150, that other 150, after you give away the 150, the other 150, you're probably going to run out of the inventory really quickly. So once that's all gone, I don't want to have to go back to Alibaba, then reorder, and then it take like a whole another month just to get my product back in. Because what I'll do, that'll actually make your ranking go bad again. That'll make you go back to the 100,000s. I mean, it won't probably make you go down that or go up that much, but you know what I mean. You guys don't want to lose your ranking. You work so hard for that on the product launch, and basically what you would have to do if your ranking goes bad again, you'd have to do another product launch, which would suck because it costs a lot of money when it comes to doing these FBA fees for the giveaways. So yeah, let me see. Did I cover the third one? Yeah, bad product research, guys. Everyone basically knows how to do good product research, in my opinion. That's what's taught a lot, if not the most, when it comes to Amazon FBA. I think on different channels like Tanner J Fox or what do you call it? Amazon FBA Heroes. I think no, Derek Struggle. That's his name. And yeah, product research is very important too. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to teach product research on this video alone because this video is already a little bit over. But yeah, guys, that's basically the 3 things that I think are the most important to consider when you're jumping into a product, and the things to avoid when you're jumping into a product, and the things that I did wrong. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and tell me guys what you want to see next time. But yeah, guys, that's about it. And I want to say, I hope, yeah, tomorrow I should be able to create another video. Yeah, I'm not working, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.